Okay guys, back to the answer hub for Chino. So a little salute to you, my friend. And it's about doing the morning surge. Now, if I was to answer this whole question in these, I can't do it because, like I said when I started this, these are just basic questions to be answered in bite-sized chunks. And it's not to do with strategy. So when you're sort of saying, can I explain how I trade it, what the decision process is, etc. It's exactly what we talk about all the time in the Zoom calls. And you'll find that in the way of the scruff. It's essentially a short-term golden eye is all it is. So I'm looking at the hour down into the 5 minute to get a rough direction of what's going on. And my thought process is always the same. I want to be in and out very quick. Now that's where my journal comes into place, and it actually tells me what the monetary amount I'm after is. So that means if I'm having a short-term short, as was the case on Friday, the initial burst was going to be to the downside, which I knew was stronger at that moment in time because my sheet had told me that. You know, I'd already made the decision that I was going to short sell it. It was also relevant to the bigger picture of the market as well. So that was all I had in my mind. So that was the thought process. So I was going into market with a singular direction. I wasn't looking for a burst either way. Once I saw that it was coming into play, I take the trade and I get out as soon as the monetary value has been hit. That's it. So that's the thought process behind it. The weights trade is in way of the scruff. And you just look at golden eye and you're fine. Other than that, come into the Zoom calls and you'll see the replays and you'll see how I trade it constantly. Now, to the other side of it, it says, can I expect to be consistently profitable? Well, I've traded this thing every day since January, I think it was January the 8th when we started. And I've had one losing day. One. Why? Because I'm very careful on what I'm doing. I get in, I get out, I get paid, I quit. Period. That makes it consistent, but it also makes it profitable because all these little chunks add up all the time. But am I watching the money side of it? No, I'm not. I'm just following the process. I know I want to make 10% a month on the small account. Could even do 20% a month, but 10% is a good round number. I get in, I get out, I'm done. If I do any more than that, outstanding. The money's never in the equation. So therefore, the consistency drives the profit, the profitability of it. And the only thing that I need to do now is start slowly increasing the position size up, which will naturally pull the profit. I hope that kind of answers it in an odd way. But in the short term, yes, it is consistent and it is profitable. And you've watched me do it every day for 6 months now. And it's paying me quite well. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love and the money will follow. See you on the next one.